All right, so if you're new to the channel, today we're going to be putting some Turner Motorsports two-piece rotors on my E90 M3. So if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. You're going to see some more E90 content coming soon. And if you haven't seen my other car already, got a 1J E36. On the channel. So yeah, let's get these let's get to work and put these brakes on. So here's the Turner Motorsports two-piece rotors. You don't realize how big E90X brake rotors are until like you have them out and like in your hands. Like these are friggin' pretty big. It's nice. I like it. I gotta grab the pads. All right, so we got the Hawk HPS pads, rotors. Let's get to it. Start taking these wheels off. Alrighty, so now we need an Allen. Take out 2 Allen bolts here and here. And then take these covers off. So take the caliper off. We should probably could just take the whole. Nah, let's do it the right way. Alright, let's take this caliper off. Caps. So, we got a new rotor. Line it up. Alright. Let's clean this off. Some brake clean and Alright, so that long process is the same on the other side. I'll be back when I'm done. Real quick, so mine's stripped. So what I did was drill a hole right where they were stripped. I drilled pretty much to the head would be gone. And now I'm gonna hit it off with a hammer and it should pop right off. Yep, so we got 2 whacks and it came right off. Alrighty, so we just got the brakes on. Now it's time to bed them in. So I was recommended to just lightly apply some throttle and brake until you feel them change. that I had a pretty bad rotor on here. Because before braking, it was sounding horrible. It was like, already I don't even notice noticeable braking. Alright, now it's told just let them cool down. Perfect. I got a little neighborhood that I could just putt around, let them cool down, and then do 2 more stops. I'm gonna do from around I'll say 55, 60 to about 20 twice, and then we should be good to go. Let them cool off again and be done with it. Alright guys, so that was a little quick video of me putting the Turner Motorsports front rotors on. I'm going to be purchasing the rear rotors later, but I mean I just put brakes on the car before I decided to go this route in the rear. So I'm going to hold off for a little bit, and then I'll put the rears on also, but stay tuned because soon I'll be putting coilovers on this thing in the next couple videos, and yeah, so I'm excited to see what you guys think, and I'm excited to give you guys a nice little review after I drive it for a little while to see how I feel about them. So, alright guys, hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.